Make money listening to music, PayPal money fast. Hey everyone, welcome to another fantastic video of Money Myth. In this video, we will check out a brand new method where you can earn PayPal money just by listening to music. Could you believe me if I told you that you could earn $12 for every single song that you listen to? I remember back in the day when I was in high school or college, I always listened to music all the time. And the funny thing is, I always randomly wished I could earn just even a single dollar for every song that I listened to. And it's finally here, although I wished I heard of this sooner. I know this is a really great news for a lot of us. You can make some really good money in your free time without leaving the comfort of your home just by using your smartphone or your computer. The method is 100% free and this is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can do this. As usual, I'll be demonstrating a step-by-step method on how you can do this. You don't need any investments or any special skills to sort of do this, so be sure to watch the end of the video and don't miss out on any of the important details because I'll be sharing some bonus tips and tricks that you can do to make the most out of this method. Okay, now make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go on and click the subscribe button right now. And also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out when I release my brand new videos, which will help you make more money online. Now let's get started. Alright, so first I want you to go to Google and search playlist push. Now I want you to click on the first link right here. That link will take you to this page. This website is called playlistpush.com. You can read it here, connecting artists to the playlist curators. So this is the website where we can earn $12 just by listening to music. Later on in this video, I'll also show you more websites that would help us, and when you combine these websites, you can earn more or even double the amount of money you're making online. For the beginners out there, there are going to be playlist curators. But first let me show you some statistics. There are over 800 curators all over the world who are making money on this website. This website has been featured by big brands like Medium and Fortune. You can see here the testimonies of many people around the world seeing that they earn a lot of money online using this website. This just shows that this website is 100% legit. I want you to click on this Afford Curators up here and it will take you to this section. As it says here, monetize and grow your playlist. Scroll down below and you will find to get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen to and review songs. And if you like it, we ask you to consider adding it to your playlist. And that's how you can earn $12 for every song that you can listen to. Imagine earning $12 just by listening to one song. And let's say you listen to, 10 songs per day. That means you can earn about $120 in the same day. How amazing is that? The best thing about this website is that they pay you every week. They have a weekly payout and they'll pay you every Friday via PayPal. And trust me when I say they don't miss a single Friday to pay you. As good as this is, there is a catch to this method. You need to have at least 400 followers on Spotify, Deezer or Apple Music. But don't leave this video just yet. Many beginners do not continue with this method once they know about this requirement. But don't you worry, alright? I got you covered. I'll be sharing a strategy with you that can help you get 400 followers. So be sure to stick around till the end of this video. But first, how do we sign up? Click on the Sign Me Up button and it will take you to this page. Click on this Sign Up using your Spotify. Once you click on that, it will redirect you to the Spotify website. If you already have a Spotify account, you can directly log in. But if you don't have one, click on the Sign Up for Spotify. Just put in your email, confirm your email password, username, your date of birth, and gender. Don't forget to click on this box right here and click on this I'm not a robot, then hit this green Sign Up button. The next website is called playlist.net. On this website, you can share posts and upload your playlist. There's so much cool music and so many playlists on this website. And every single day, people around the world visit this website to learn. With this, you'll be able to gain many followers for free. But first, you will need to submit a playlist. Now click on this Submit a Playlist button right here. As you can see here, you must log in and connect to your Spotify to submit your playlists. If you don't have an account on this website, click on this Log In button right here, and this window will pop up. You can see here, log in or register if you're new. And don't have an account on this website, click on this Register button right here, and this registration page will pop up. Just type in your name, username, country, email address, password, and confirm your password. Then click on this box right here and hit the register button. Now you can get started and submit your playlists from Spotify and gain followers. On to the last website, soundplate.com. On this website, you can promote your Spotify playlists. All you have to do is click on this button right here at the top. As it says here, grow your Spotify and Deezer playlists with our website and free submission system. This is pretty much like playlist.net. So when you combine these websites, you can earn $12 or even more by simply listening to music. Share your Spotify playlists on these different websites and gain your first 400 followers. Once you achieve that, you will then be a qualified curator on this website and start earning a lot of money online. That's how you can earn money using this method. You don't need any investments or any special skills to get started because this is 100% free and available worldwide. That's all for today's video. I hope that you've learned something about making money online. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on money-making strategies. Also, hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.